Well, tax day is less than a month away, and the IRS estimates that each year approximately 10 million people fail to file their federal tax returns. However, if you have backlogs of years you didn't file, you can still get ahead of them. And as you're about to find out in tonight's Your Money Matters, it might be more beneficial to get it handled than continuing to put them off.
This time of year is busy for accountants at Nest Tax and Bookkeeping as they help last-minute filers get their tax returns handled. They can even help those with years of piled-up, unfiled returns.
Most people aren't that familiar with tax law, and it does vary by year. So generally speaking, I think probably people get a better outcome by coming to a tax professional to get those old returns done.
And for people who are scared about repercussions because they haven't filed previous returns, Ness says it's better to just get it handled now.
You know, it's always the fear of the unknown. And a lot of the times when we prepare some years, people are actually receiving refunds and they don't get in trouble for receiving refunds. So the first thing is to take that step forward and get things prepared and see exactly where you're at. The longer you wait, the more chance there is that IRS is going to file a return for you, which won't be to your benefits.
However, if you do end up having to pay in, there are options to make it more manageable.
If you owe money and you're not able to pay everything you owe, IRS does offer installments agreements where you can pay perhaps $50 a month, $200 a month. They're relatively easy to work with, and they would like you to keep current with your tax returns rather than keep digging yourself a deeper hole.
Ness says there is a 3-year statute for claiming a tax refund. So that means if you are due a refund or for withholding or estimated taxes, you must file your return to claim it within 3 years of the return due date. Any money you might have been eligible to claim beyond those 3 years will be kept by the government.